Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your knowledge in bankruptcy law with Upsolve, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by identifying your current understanding of bankruptcy law.
Assess your strengths and weaknesses in the topic. Visit the Upsolve website to explore the resources available.
Utilize the free bankruptcy tools provided by Upsolve.
Review the educational articles and guides that explain key concepts. Focus on understanding the different types of bankruptcy, such as Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Engage with the interactive learning modules on the site. Participate in webinars and online seminars hosted by Upsolve.
Join forums and discussion groups to connect with others interested in bankruptcy law. Consider reading case studies to see real-world applications of bankruptcy principles.
Take notes as you go through the resources for better retention.
Set specific learning goals to help structure your study sessions. Schedule regular time slots each week dedicated to learning about bankruptcy law. Follow current events related to bankruptcy to stay updated on changes and trends.
Explore additional resources like legal textbooks or online courses for in-depth knowledge. Practice applying what you've learned through simulations or practical exercises. Reach out to legal professionals for mentorship or guidance as you deepen your understanding.
Regularly assess your progress to identify areas needing further study.
Stay persistent and curious as you continue to expand your knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.